Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me Rajeshwari and welcome back to yet another video. Today's video is going to be a review and also first impression on a brand, which is this Globus Naturals Rice Ceramide Revival Facial Kit, which is enriched with coffee and sugar. Okay, so this is a 6-step facial kit and this is a non-sponsored video. Let me tell you, it is completely like will be my honest review on this, and I have purchased this with my own money. And so without any further delay, let's just begin into the video. See my skin before. This is how my skin is looking right now. Completely I have not done anything since I delivered my baby, and my skin looks very like dehydrated, dull and all of that stuff. I just came out from the bath, and so without any further blabbering and all, let's just start into the video. So this is a newly launched variant from Globus Naturals. Globus Naturals is a very like Purana wala brand. It is not a new brand, but this variant is new, that is rice ceramide, okay, which has coffee and sugar in it. This is 40 gram of the product and this retails for just rupees 249. Okay, that is it. And this is a 6-step facial kit. Okay, first let me show you. You get this kind of sachets as you get in all other facial kits. So these are the sachets. You have cleanser, you have scrub, you have massage cream, you have face gel, you have face pack and you have face serum. So you have 6 total steps. So let's begin with the video. So this is how my skin was looking after the 6-step facial routine. So it was quite soft and supple and my skin was looking very much clean. And what do you expect from a rupees 249 facial kit? So I think this was a great deal and my skin was feeling so good after this. So you can definitely purchase this one and go for it. In case you like my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.